Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm Adarsh Webachedu. Today I'll be speaking to you about why a certain town in the state of Andhra Pradesh called Eluru is trending on the internet. We may have thought that COVID-19 is probably the worst thing that can happen to us in this year. But guess what? There's something happening in the town of Eluru that is far more bizarre. So what exactly is happening in Eluru? There's not too much that we know about, but let me tell you what we know so far. To start off with, one person has died and almost 345 people from around Eluru have been hospitalized at this point in time. Out of these 345 people, almost 46 of them are children and 76 of them are women. Fortunately, however, 180 people have been discharged already. But here is the catch. Nobody really knows as to why all of these people, these 345 odd people have fallen sick. What is this mysterious disease, mysterious illness all about? Nobody has a clue up until now. But what we do know is that this particular illness is giving rise to quite a few symptoms such as severe headache, vomiting, giddiness and almost 3 to 5 minutes of epileptic fits as well. The only silver lining that we can see at this point in time is that this particular mysterious illness does not spread from one person to another, so it is not communicable, so to speak. Social media users across the country have been terming this bizarre illness as a mysterious disease, and some of them have been calling it an invisible virus. But even to this point, we do not know what this particular illness is and why people in Eluru are falling sick. So let us now look at why exactly this is happening. As I was just mentioning, there is no concrete answers to this question as to what is going on in Eluru, but we do know a few things. Is it water contamination? There were a lot of reports, a lot of politicians in the state of Andhra Pradesh who started saying that it could be a case of water contamination. But guess what? Samples from as many as 22 different affected areas were collected, and all of these samples in the end proved that there was no kind of contamination and the water was not polluted, so to speak. So it is not water contamination. That is something that we know at this point in time. More proof of that is that those not drinking water supplied by the Eluru municipality also fell sick, and those who were consuming mineral water, who were drinking mineral water on a daily basis, even they fell sick. So it cannot be that there is some kind of a water contamination. That theory stands busted at this point in time. So that apart, is it a viral infection? That's another question. And the answer to that again is no. I say this because a lot of blood samples were taken of those 345 people, and when it comes to the testing, there was no sort of infection that was detected. Is it COVID-19? The answer is no once again, because all of the 345 people were tested for COVID-19 and their reports came negative. At this point in time, there were also CT scans of the brains of the 345 people or people that have been tested, and even those CT scans have turned out to be normal. Now this brings us to the question, what is being done on ground? There is a special focus on affected areas. That's what Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has ensured at this point in time. Several medical camps have also been set up in and around Eluru to really deal with the distress, to deal with the kind of issues that people are facing at this point in time and may face in the near future. Apart from the medical camps itself, we're talking about how door-to-door surveys have also been launched to monitor the health condition of the people. And not just that, a 5-member team of doctors from AIIMS in Mangalagiri has also been sent to Eluru to really ascertain as to what is going on. Apart from that, the scientists from National Institute of Nutrition in Hyderabad are also visiting Eluru to find out as to what this mysterious illness is. Experts from IICT and ICMR are also arriving in Eluru to investigate as to what is going on. Not just that, not just the Indian authorities and bodies and institutes, you even have experts from the World Health Organization who are now going down to Eluru to really find out as to what this mysterious illness is all about. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has of course taken stock of the situation, and he has informed the health officials on ground to ensure that those people who've been affected are getting adequate medical aid and all kinds of medical assistance and medicines as and when required. But up until now, we do not have any concrete answers as to what this illness is. Yes, of course, a lot of people are going to go down to Eluru and try and find out, so we'll have to wait and see. But yes, water contamination, which was initially floated as the plausible cause for this, has now been busted. Well, you must stay tuned to TV9 News, but because we will be getting you the latest on this particular story and a lot more as to what seems to be the reason behind almost 345 people in Eluru falling sick. And yes, if you like the information that we have shared with you, like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us.